Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I am trying a new video that I've never done before, the 3-3-3, where you have 3 tops, 3 bottoms, 3 accessories, and 3 shoes. I'm kind of cheating. So I'm doing a 4-4-4. 4-4-4-4. 4. Yeah, that. Anyways, the whole premise is I took 4 of my favorite items, like my most worn tops, my most worn bottoms, my most worn shoes, and my most worn accessories, and we're gonna see how many outfits I can kind of like style together. I think these are so fun. I do them all the time in my regular life, so if you don't do this, it might, I don't know, encourage you, whether you're using this to like pack, whether you're using this to just kind of come out of a rut of feeling like you always like those things, like these are my staples, right? But like how can I pair them with different things and kind of like make them different? So we went very casual with this one. I'm talking these are like my everyday outfits. I took like my most worn and we're going to style them. If you want to see like a more colorful one, a vacation one, a night out one, whatever, let me know. Not night out. Yeah, I guess I could do night out. Why not? Why not, you guys? But I love this because I am a creature of habit and I love to find different ways that I can wear my like comfort clothes, if you will. I don't know. Nonetheless, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna jump in. Like when I say these are casual, I have a pair of sweat shorts in here. So we're gonna go through all of my items and then I will kind of like show you my things. Okay, so first, bottom, like I'm telling you, sweat shorts. I wear these Abercrombie sweat shorts multiple times a week, multiple times. I only use in other colors as well, but the gray is by far my favorite. I think these are like their Sunday something or other, I don't know. So these are my first bottom. I don't know if this is the style that you guys like, so just keep me posted. Okay. And obviously most of these things will come as no surprise to you because you watch my videos. Second bottoms are my Uniqlo JW Anderson jeans. These are kind of like a low to mid-rise, kind of slouchy. These are the lightest wash jeans. I absolutely love these. Definitely my favorite pair of jeans. They're kind of a little bit stiff because I just washed them and line dried them, but I'm gonna show you how many different ways I can style these because you've seen it. They're my favorite. We have these. Now, these did recently replace my Zara white denim shorts because they're kind of falling apart and you can't get them anymore, so I wanted to find something that you actually could get if you're looking for something. But a white pair of denim shorts is such an essential to me. These are a mid-rise, a little bit longer of a length, very slouchy, just cool. I love these denim shorts. For bottoms, the Gap little chinos. These are in green. I've worn these so much. I think these are so versatile because I can wear them summer, fall, spring, winter, whatever. You can cuff them. They just look so cool and they've become one of my favorite pairs of pants because they're just so insanely comfortable. It would not be an outfits video for me if it was not a white tee. I recently did just pick this one up. I go between liking like more of a slim fit to a boxy, like oversized fit, whatever. But this one's my newest addition. This is from Old Navy. It's one of their vintage tees. So we're gonna use that. This Quince cardigan, I know you might be thinking a cardigan in the summer. I know, but listen, if you live anywhere where even if it's like, let's say you live in the South where it's like hundreds, you're still going into grocery stores, restaurants, all those things, and you're in your house 99% of the time where it's in the 70s. So let's be real. Like I'm not wearing this like outside to sweat, okay? But like it's cute and you can wear this so many different ways. This is the cardigan from Quince that I own in so many different colors, but I picked navy because navy is my most versatile and most worn color for sure. White button up. Since it's summer, I picked a linen one, but a regular one, a poplin one, Oxford one, but this white linen button up from H&M is like at least 2 to 3 times a week. Same thing with this denim button up. You guys know I'm a denim button-up girl. I'm a button-up girl in general, but a denim one is one of my favorite items to throw on over things to make it look just completely different. You'll see. But I love this one, Old Navy. I think this is in a size, this one's in a small. I own it in a medium as well. But those are my tops and bottoms. Let's move into my accessories. Okay, I did not pick any purses. I'm not a huge purse girl, you know this about me, but just like wear whatever purse, I don't really care. Anyway, necklace, this red chunky beaded necklace has been like my go-to to pop on and like elevate any outfit. A baseball cap. This one has been in my collection for years now, in love. These specific pair of sunglasses are just so good. I own them in brown too, which I don't know where they are. They're probably in a purse somewhere. But these are like my favorite style. I feel like they just make every outfit look good. And then last but not least, a scarf. I know this is kind of trendy, but really fun, and I've been loving kind of styling even simple outfits with this. I know I do a lot of like more elevated outfits, but I'm excited to show you some simple outfits with this guy. And I think you're gonna think it's cute. Hopefully, I don't know. Even if you don't, I do. Okay, these have grass in them. Okay, 2 flip-flops. I have my Havaianas. I've worn these pretty much every day since I've gotten them. I love them. They never make it back to my closet because they're always just bebopping around the house. They're so comfortable, they're so chic, so cute. My Birkenstocks, I try to like give myself a break from these, but I always go back. They're just so easy, they're so comfortable, and I honestly love them and think they're so cute. So Birkenstocks, classic. If you can't tell, I'm really sticking with the navy and red trend. I really like that. These red jelly flats are one of my go-tos. They're so comfortable, and I've worn them for multiple summers now. I'm realizing that I walk on the outsides of all of my shoes because that's where they wear the most. But I've worn these so many different ways, and I'll show you. They're comfortable, but they are kind of fun and just a fun pop too. And then these Onitsukas, I just changed out the laces for the red because I was cheering for the US soccer team, and I needed red, white, and blue, you know, but I love changing these laces to anything, but the red just really signifies summer to me. I love the Americana thing, but you could also do orange, green, I don't know, really cute, but these are just the like navy with gray, and then I just changed out the laces. So those are my 4 shoes, my 4 tops, my 4 bottoms, and my 4 accessories. So 4, 4, 4, and 4. Let's do it. I guess. Yeah, let's go. I think I'm just gonna get dressed and then kind of show you. All right, let's start with my sweat shorts. This was actually the outfit I wore to drop off Arlo at camp today. I'm telling you, I wear it all the time. So I think sweat shorts can be insanely cool. Insanely cool. I don't know if I'd say insanely, but I think they can be really cool. So let me show you. So this is how I wore it this morning. Actually, this exact same outfit, just denim button up, super cute, and I'm pretty sure I wore my Birkenstocks. So this is, first look. Easy, simple, plain, throw on a sunny. My headband's in my way. Oh gosh. Cool. Number 1, hat. And then let's go with sneakers. Number 2, got the fun sneakers. I love this. This is a very cute, casual, like baseball, running errands sort of look that I wear all the time, obviously, because it's easy. Okay, moving along. Go number 2, again, super simple. Three, I love the layer of just a sweater over the shoulder. You could also do it around the waist. 4, do these count? You guys are gonna tell me probably in the comments, being like, girl, no. Okay, let's keep switching her up. Do a little cuff at the bottom. Throw on Birks. I love a cuff with a Birkenstock, so cute. I don't even know what look we're on, I'm in discount. But love this. Think this is really fun. Super cute with a little scarf. The waist. I feel like a scarf is a fun, like almost like a belt. I don't have any belts in this. So cute. Let's put on. Is there a rule that I can't wear more than 1 accessory in an outfit? I don't think so. Because I'm gonna. This is cute. I'm wearing all the accessories. Just kidding about that. Cool though, right? Easy, simple, elevated. Okay? Next up, I like red and green together. It's not everyone's cup of tea. Fun. Throw on a little jacket. Tie it around the waist. Cute, okay. Now let's swap out for some sneakers. This is way more fun than I thought it would be. For a cute little baseball game, I don't know. I kind of dig it. Changing the way you tuck a shirt completely changes the shirt. Like, you can't tell me this is a boxy shirt anymore. It's just cool. Throw a little cuff in the sleeve. So it changes it. Cute, okay. Moving right along. This is so fun. Okay, I'm a dork. So this is a little bit sloppy, so let's fix this. And since it's kind of hot out, I'm really gonna roll my sleeves up. Kind of hot, girl, you be lying. You know it. You lie, miss. And this will look cute with cute. Can you see my giant mess in front of me? Hopefully not, because tis just that mess. Shirt on. Let's change out to some different pants. I have no pattern or rhyme or reason to how I'm doing this, so I might find a better solution as we go along, but love. Cute. Good. This is so good. So good. So good. You know, so good. Denim, white denim. I love that look. So cute. Okay, let's move along. Love a good scarf in the hair moment. So when buying scarves, buying ones that are a little bit bigger, because they can be belts, they can be necklaces, they can be hair accessories, all the things. This one's a little big for a hair accessory, but we can make it work. Cute. Love. All right, let's move along. Let's do navy, white, cute. Okay, let's take this out now and try it a couple different other ways. Adorable. Cute. I've been loving a fun pony recently. It's just been really jazzing up my day. Cute. Love. This is such a good outfit. I'm obsessed. Okay, now let's go a little sporty spice. A little sporty spice moment. Do a sneaker. I'd probably wear socks. Okay, I would wear socks. We're imagining, okay? Everyone gets all bent out of shape when I do a sockless sneaker try-on. It's just a try-on. This even looks kind of cool. It's different. Oh, is this like cooked? Yeah. Red necklace, red shoelaces. Cute. Cute. Okay. Now, let's do a little white tee moment. I feel like I have so many outfits I can do. It's crazy. Let's do a black flip-flop. Let's do this. How many times can I say cute? A million. You already know it. Adorable. Can we switch to adorable? This is so good. No notes. Switch it out for red flat for a little more of a, I don't know, classier. Clasher, if you will. Okay, let's go to jeans now. I don't even know how many outfits I've created. This is so fun. I sound like such a dork. Let's put on my jeans. My favorite pair of jeans. These look great with sneakers, flats, and sandals. More of like an actual skinny belt, and you can put it through if you wanted to. I actually really like when it's like a pointed tee though. This could also go the necklace layered underneath. I kind of like it. Okay, and then we could also switch out for a simple flip-flop. Classic, obviously. Love this. This is just such a good summer look. A little more casual with Birkenstocks and a little denim on denim. Cute. Cute. Let's do flip-flops. You can button this all the way down for more of like a polished look. Could even do a tuck. Cute. Navy and red, just there's nothing better. Okay, all my hangers are, all my clothes are on the ground now. My hangers are just pointing for joy. And their party. Okay. This just nothing screams more summer to me than a loose pair of jeans, a white linen button-up, and some Birkenstocks. Like, there's nothing more summery than this. So good. I want something slim at the bottom since it's kind of big and baggy everywhere else. I like the minimal look of the flip-flop. Good, great. We are nailing this. You guys, this is so fun. Cute. Now, I still think this works. I know you might be like, girl, you're crazy. But like, I kind of don't hate this. I know. It's like the unexpected shoe or the wrong shoe theory. These are like technically like the wrong pants, but I kind of love that look. It gives rolled out of bed, party on top, sleeping on the bottom. I don't know, I kind of love it. All right, let's also try on this sweater as a top with these shorts. Hear me out, I would wear this. I know some people would be like, no, but like, I don't know, there's something so cool about a sweatshirt. Maybe I convinced you in this video, maybe I didn't, and that's okay, either way. I did want to try this on one other way. All right, you guys, I think that's gonna wrap up the first one. How many did I do? I have no idea. Could I have made a billion more? Yes, and that is the whole point. Like literally that is the whole point of driving home, is like, it's kind of crazy when you bring your favorite like items together and they all mix and match. It's so fun. I don't know, I enjoy doing this so much. This is a little more warm down for me, but this was so fun. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if there's other ones that you want to see. Do you want to see my next 4 favorite things styled a million different ways? Do you want more color? Do you want specific items? Let your girl know. Kind of dresses would be fun, I think. I don't know. Again, I always try to mix in. I know I do a lot of hauls, but I always like to try to mix in certain things where it's like, let's fall in love with the clothes we already have. Pinterest outfits, these where you just pull and go, and it's fun. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'm curious. I have no idea how many outfits I created. Let's say like, I don't know, 20? 25? I have no idea. Anyway, love you guys.